Yes, welcome again to another season of Eurobolians. We don't come back again to make sure say yes we give now every they happen from inside the world. Europe, all the leagues them, the better leagues them, the Gongwentem leagues them. Yes, the big leagues them. Talk about English Premiership, Italian Serie A, Spanish La Liga, and talk about even the German Bundesliga with the French League. All of them. Now we're going to talk about. Welcome to another season of Eurobolians podcast with the Football Republic. And this one, na business say yes, you remember, say you guys to subscribe. Remember to subscribe if you don't watch this video so that you're not going to miss out of any of our latest video, especially as it concerns Eurobolians. Welcome once again. I get my goons inside the studio and sharply we'll go dive into the matter as it concerns the latest where they happen from inside the world Europe. Remember, I say season for some leagues don't already start. The French League don't already start. Even the Belgian League self don't start though. We're not going to talk about that one. But the major leagues, them like the Premiership, all of them go start this weekend with I think German Bundesliga go start this weekend too, and also the Spanish La Liga. The Italian Serie A go start in 2 weeks' time. But we could dive straight to the matter and start from the Community Shield. We'll see just over the weekend, and then Leicester City all of a sudden they win cups. Before now, they win cups. 2016, they surprised everybody, win the trophy, the EPL trophy, and that's a good one for them. This time around, they win FA Cup last season, and this time again, they don't still win the Community Shield. First time in a long time, in fact, 50 years, if you ask me, since 1971, and the last time will Leicester City win anything like the Community Shield when they beat Liverpool 1-0. This time around, Manchester City then beat. And Bucci, you want to say good moments for Brendan Rodgers, the second British manager to achieve this one after David Moyes.
Who send them? I know send
Leicester City fans send them.
That's their personal problem. I've been Nigerian.
Well, we have Senior Man Kells.
It didn't help them. See,
now he scored the winning goal, Sev.
Senior Man Kells, so they need to massage him back. In back. Get all those full massage, all those fine babes with the massage. Massage, what do they call that after you massage? They record them. When you massage, they record them. What's that in
spa?
You massage, you can't take home or something like that. You get one word, you can't know whether idea official. Massage and take home.
Now that one what talk.
They need to give late natural every time. Yeah, happy ending. They need to get carry on for back. They need to get a massage for him back, in waist, in everything. Because it don't depend on help them. Find out where they enter, and carry enter that final. Premier League, now can't they enter? Now I don't have them win competition for the first time since 1971.
Good one.
Give them all the credit what is that. They need to be praise. I know what's the part and the vex for Brendan Rodgers. This guy no start Kelechi Iheanacho.
Yeah, because in the testing normal
no
strikers.
Test weight team.
He start with Jamie Vardy.
Iheanacho fit.
Yeah, he start with Jamie Vardy. You go expecting that him go always start with.
This guy. Teammate can give you exclusive. Losing me, I see the future.
Exclusive.
This guy get plans to bench Iheanacho for this season.
That's why he go by Patson.
He go by Dakar Rally. He get plan to bench Iheanacho for this season. And they tell you, now they tell Iheanacho, if this guy no start for the first 2 matches, leave that club and go and play for another club.
But which club they buy him? Now maybe the problem. Sexy Joe, Sexy Joe. You want to say for Leicester City, a good start for them for the new season. Like him or not, they win titles. And now one of the things that will make you one of the standout teams, apart from the top 4 or the top 6 who won't mention. But good one for Brendan Rodgers, any which way.
Very, very good one for Brendan Rodgers because if you see how they carry end last season and of course the way they carry start this season, you go know say yes, they really carry come. And of course, na fantastic one. How you take start season always matters a lot. And of course, with this one, we say they don't carry start season now. It shows say this season will go start for weekend, go they very, very tough because Leicester City no be team where we say you go just look waka pass. Now team where we say they don't already establish themselves as contenders as far as the English Premier League they're concerned. See how they take end for table last season. And now they don't start on a very good note with this Community Shield where we say they carry come. So I see Leicester City leaving a mark. And of course, Brendan Rodgers, fantastic work. When what's be that Italian man name, we take them that and go
Claudio Ranieri.
My boy,
yes.
my
boy.
After I come out, people say this Leicester City go back to the second hand team where they be. But since 2016 till now, they don't show show say them be forced to reckon with. So I feel say this coming season, Leicester City go not only leave the mark, then be serious contenders. So let no man or woman look past them. And for Kelechi Iheanacho, yes, the fit to don't go buy Dakar come, but the fact remains say this guy don't pick up form since last season, and he no day anytime soon for him to slow down. He go keep going, and of course if Brendan Rodgers wanna play, if he wanna gonna play with him work, make he bench.
You will see something.
He's gonna see crazy.
He see crazy.
And I don't notice to say Brendan Rodgers now. Don't they call me on top of WhatsApp now? The reason is because he want me to give everything now in dozen. I'm talking about the toothpaste Iheanacho is using. The cream is rubbing, and also the soap is using. Everybody want to succeed.
Which soap in they use now?
San Diego got now. We don't open new season with
Okay,
everybody.
moving on. And then Moku Shepali talk about, the players and the signings them for the clubs. Them Moku start from Arsenal as they jump into the English Premier League, and Buchi Moku start with Arsenal, your club. They don't sign 4 players: Daniel Oyegoke, Nuno Tavares. They don't sign Lokonga. They don't sign Ben White. The highest transfer deal so far for Arsenal this summer. Now the man from Brighton, Ben White.
Even if they sign Gilbert Black, nothing go change for Arsenal matter. See, I won't just come here. Normally, I don't they come talking about Arsenal. I want to advise every Arsenal fan all across the world.
May they
We
no
go
get
here
hope.
our podcast. I beg, respect yourself. This is in our vibes and inshallah. So even Isha Amadioha, Isi Shango, everything dead there. Arsenal, no stress yourself. Arsenal don't have to play for playing sake. No ambition, nothing. Worst season in 152 years. What you don't change this year? The same Buhari still in charge of Arsenal. Nobody they used to they go anywhere. The same cut that one. The same person still in charge of Arsenal. They cut plenty one, the same general. So nothing go use to change. And they tell Arsenal fan, no call they complain to me say they do this. Just accept the miserable form where Arsenal go there because it go worse. Arsenal go fight top 10 and no go see 11 and go 11 if this Arteta still in charge of Arsenal.
Well, it's a sexy joke for Arsenal. Buccino get hope, but Mikel Arteta, like him or not, he don't show signs. Say he won't try and improve this squad. He won't try and make sure that this squad makes sense. And they sign players. We be saying few saying need right now. Ben White, he don't sign up. Lokonga, he don't sign up. He don't sign Nuno Tavares. This now maybe not be the rate where we say Arsenal go want when they take sign players or the kind Bogons players. But then you go still give Arsenal a shout. Say then go suppose they compete for the top 4 at least. If it's too bad, top 4.
You know, say true things don't bad somehow for inside Arsenal, but that one no mean say make you write them off. You understand? Because there's always the guy what say they call new beginning. Now new season won't enter, so make we give them the benefit of the doubt.
Which doubt you
At
want
least
give
for
us
the
now?
fact say he wants improvement. For the fact
Who want
say
improvement?
he want making team they better.
Who be
He
that?
don't sign 4
be
different
that?
You
players.
see this doubt self. I
Who be
cannot
that?
give it any benefit.
No,
Mikel Arteta.
Mikel Arteta.
I
So
understand.
I feel say in get plans. He
Sexy.
know say a lot of people know
Let
they
her
happy
talk
with
now.
what they
She
happen
told them
for Arsenal.
positive, it's not fair.
Well, I got to be positive
Sexy, they
because
pass
for this
wrong
life,
message.
it's not a matter
Na
of
wrong
passing the
message
wrong
you dey
message.
pass. You know they
You fit
honest.
write them off now. There was a time where we say nobody they give Leicester City the opportunity or the chance.
Let's
say
say
them go
Arsenal.
make them enter inside Premiership and of course stay there. Remember, say Arsenal now one of those things whenever go relegation. Since we say
They need to go.
establish am.
They said,
They're
they
not
need to
dey
go. They
anywhere.
need to go.
The fact remains say there is room for improvement.
Sexy, you know they
This
honest.
na new
You
season.
know they honest.
New season, they don't bring
You know they
4 new
honest.
players enter team. That will show you say
Who be the first
they won't
person they
move-
bring? Taraba and Lokoja
Sexy
State.
Joe.
Who them bring?
The only room available
Lokonga
is
not be player.
Sexy Joe.
Ben White not be
Sexy
defender.
Don't
Joe.
have anywhere.
Eh?
Okay,
Sexy
well,
Joe.
moving on.
The only room available is room to change your jersey away from Arsenal.
Okay.
No room for improvement.
Moving on,
Hope day,
moving
hope
on from
day.
Arsenal, they don't let players come out.
Nothing.
The likes of David Luiz, the likes of MMM, Mavropanos, Mavropanos,
From Greece, my boy.
Then Guendouzi and
Dinos.
William Saliba, 2 of them still there, but alone with Marcel. Moku say I go from there. Moku move on to the next club, talking about Manchester United.
Serious clubs.
And Sexy Joe Moku start with their main signing, will be Jadon Sancho. Now the man will be saying they don't they try to one club since last season. In fact, since last year, now they don't they try to one club this boy. Finally, they go get their man 73 million pounds. Now they you sign him. Surely, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer no get excuse again not to win titles.
No be say no get excuse. One player cannot make a forest. It's like one tree
They
cannot
sign
make
Varane
a
too,
forest.
defender.
It doesn't matter because whether they sign, they no sign. Remember, say other teams too don't beef up their own squad as well. And of course, even though say Jadon Sancho they sign and come beat Pogri, you know me say then go carry the league right away. You got to
But they're
also
not
bond
supposed
with
to
the
fight
team.
for league. Sexy Joe. Not
No,
ask.
they're supposed to fight for the league. They're supposed to fight for the title. But then at the mic, I they try make una understand. Say even though say they sign this guy come, you know me say.
Na guarantee.
Say then go Colobi that tight, but fantastic one. Now boy we sabi, now boy we know him work well. I still dey wonder why Man City let this boy go in the first place. But thankfully, he's coming home and he don't come home as then they take talk, and that's the only thing that came home anyway. So England. So I feel say Jadon Sancho a very very good addition to Manchester United. He's going to make a lot of difference, but he might not help them win the
At least they sign.
Rafael Varane.
No, wait.
Others no sign.
You want buttress a point.
Oh, that's no sign.
Sexy, no they sexy this morning. She they give Arsenal hope they will sign
You
anybody.
know what makeup?
She called the criticize people don't sign.
And our
What?
club.
No,
now.
no.
Arsenal
I'm
now.
not,
She did-
I'm not
no.
criticized. He did come home.
Moku enter the man. We don't break the British
bias.
transfer record. Jack Grealish,
Jack Grealish.
£100 million for Manchester City. We see him for inside the Community Shield, but to do well, maybe in the match rusty, maybe never get match fitness. But one short way we say we go, they expect from Jack Grealish for Manchester City. Now all those assists, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goals when go they score, and also the fact say Ingo give Pep Guardiola options from the wing play.
These people, sorry, I want use English. They bring in
plenty options.
Jack Grealish for aesthetics. How many assists even Jack Grealish gets for Aston Villa? I'm going to be honest. How many goals when they score? But they like him, you know why? Him be the British hype man. Good player, not saying bad though. Very good player on his own right. Good player, but that City when they come, players they even better pass him. I'm not trying to insult him, but I go pick my nose ahead of Jack Grealish anytime, any day. I go take Riyad Mahrez. I go take
Really?
ahead them play. Check their number, they better pass him, but him not designer him be. Designer Jack Grealish. Now that's why they carry and come.
Just
and the good
arrange
thing about
paparazzi
say,
for him.
no be about the money for Jack Grealish because in the England, even though say them buy him for anyone didn't buy him, pressure no go there in body because they go support her. Any bad thing wey him do, Jack Grealish they play like 4 bad man. The one wey him play, he go there everywhere.
Yeah.
They sabi hype their own. So I'm not saying go give them that extra quality with they need because they get quality already. The only player who City go bring now, we go come do one magic. Maybe they bring the Messi or Ronaldo. I go understand. They get huge, large, massive squad already. What's what today? When people come them say, Jack Grealish go up there with Champions League. This one, in biggest achievements, the Championship playoff. So level there for everything.
Level
He go
there.
do him best they want do, but in there they can't add tomato to sauce they don't dey down already. Liverpool just dey there to chill. At least let's just compete. I think they get some small financial issue. Then they spend after they spend before. A club understand because when he wants, then give him. Now when they don't want, do your job. Keep us more still there among that top 4. I don't say Liverpool go win the league. I don't say they go win the league. But I think Chelsea and City are they more equipped than them. But they at least won't compete. No say, oh they. You go count us. Not forget to get their class. They still get Mane, they still get Salah, they still get Firmino, Van Dijk, they come back. Yes, it could take some time to come back. They still get Henderson, their car. They still get left back in Robertson, Trent. They get one of Bergwijn and Alisson Becker. So they still get their core of class players. What they need now depth to bring in more players to use like they help them. If they're not bringing that help, it go fit cause them more wahala, but then they're in a good place to at least compete. Everything second, everything third. What's come to what they feel win Champions League or win the FA Cup or Carabao Cup? Is it possible? If them focus.
Well, I feel say for Ibrahim Konate, the man Jurgen Klopp don't learn from last season where we say 2 of his key defenders they get Wunjo, the man himself, Virgil van Dijk, and also Joe Gomez. Then Joel Matip himself can later get Wunjo. So maybe they learn a lesson from last season so that what happened last season no go happen again this season. But Sexy Joe sharply moving on to Chelsea. If they sign Romelu Lukaku, Chelsea definitely then be title contenders.
Right, even if they no sign and they still be title contenders because Chelsea, I feel say they get the players where we say fit also do something. We see what them fit do last season, and of course they even win the Champions League and all that. And we see what them do when this season go start. Now we go see everything. So with or without Lukaku, after all, don't play for them before. We see how that one take end. He wasn't really at home, even though say now a lot of the ex-internationals they campaign for, and people like Drogba they talk say finally they come home. Maybe the kind of way carry go. Inter Milan, he go carry and come back, and of course, we go begin to see in ginger because I feel say Lukaku gets unfinished business for inside England, and he go definitely one show himself.
So for you, he go perform for Chelsea.
He go perform, but the two way they be say, then go give him the freedom, the chance, the opportunity to take perform, or then go do and what they do and before. And let
Sorry,
him go.
but Papito, he go perform, Abi no go perform.
I think he'll perform. I've given him all the necessary
Perform
equipment.
for where?
to-
Football pitch or where?
No, you can perform in your girlfriend's room. Just ask me your tricky question.
Wow.
My brother, he will do well. I've given him all the tools he needs.
Yeah, all the
and if
tools.
you need
What
to
kind of
perform,
tools?
Okay.
you want to know how to perform.
Buchi, coming to you.
I won't advise Chelsea fans.
Okay. May they not expect too much.
Not be expect too much. I won't advise them. Like when Chelsea signed Thomas Tuchel, I give them the same advice. The English press come
You
up
don't-
with this
you don't
mentality.
talk advice, sir.
See, I get sense. Okay, now
Come
I
on
want
then.
talk sense. Rate me. When Chelsea signed Thomas Tuchel, the English press come up with this agenda against Tuchel. Say, why they go bring in man with PSG sack for their own? They come out their own son, Frank Lampard. It was that bad. Then bring that agenda. Say no, bring it. They don't know. Say this manager work sacking. You know they do to your CV because if you do well, then go hype you. You do wrong, then go sack you. You go see go another club. Same thing applies to Lukaku. Make Chelsea fans. No, they take fans serious. Fans want bans. Man U fans go banned. Normal fans. Arsenal fans, they don't even ban because they're shameless.
Speechless.
Liverpool fans, that one don't even follow. They go banned. Every club go banned. Say Lukaku this and that. But you, as a fan of Chelsea, this na time Lukaku need your support as a human being and also as a world-class
perform.
player where he be.
Yes.
Yes, he get on Premier or Chelsea, but that Chelsea where he play before, he no deliver. Yeah, in or West Brom. Yes, for Everton. But Chelsea, he no deliver. The good thing be say, he don't go Italy. He don't date in a better place. Work with manager. The good thing also, for Inter Milan when they play 3 at the back. Now him and Martinez, they up front. So when they come Chelsea, now the same system. So he need to adapt. He gave Lukaku get some tough time. As they give Timo when I support when they miss chance, they need to glide Lukaku, support this man because him now world-class players. No let English press bring false agenda against Lukaku because him now your own. The raise money they sign up and Chelsea they win. As a Chelsea fan, you have no right, you have no choice
But to
than
support.
to support Romelu Lukaku,
But
my
if
boy.
you think he go perform.
100%.
100% he go perform.
Lukaku coming to Chelsea.
According to Buchi.
Touch everybody.
Yeah, and the sweet thing,
2
now
million
say,
%.
the sweet thing for Lukaku now saying they return back to the club. We been bring him come England, so Ingo they like more or less relaxed this time around to fit perform for Chelsea. Remember they don't lose Olivier Giroud to AC Milan. Another player where they lose this transfer window now Fikayo Tomori we then sell to AC Milan
Thank God,
to 30
they
million
finally
pounds.
sell the boy. Let him go and enjoy
and we'll
his
see that yesterday
football.
because Zuma self go come out. Moku see how that one will go. But quickly, Sexy Joe Moku talk about people if he break into that top 4. Tottenham Hotspur, definitely you guys look at them. Leicester City, you guys check I put for them. Everton, you guys check I put for them. Which of these 3 clubs you
Who say
fit?
no pass last year?
No, Arsenal normally supposed dead
Where?
here. That's another.
Where?
But Sexy
You
Joe,
dey carry Arsenal up too much, oh.
Sexy Joe, make I start.
They don't dey anywhere,
Okay,
oh.
among these 4 clubs,
Oh, they won't put Arsenal, yes.
who fit break into the
Why?
top 4?
Why? Why?
I see Leicester City.
Why?
Breaking into it.
Breaking
Remember,
in.
say
We'll
2
see what they
seasons.
do.
2 seasons follow, but now they don't try, but they don't finish
They
inside
don't
that top
finish
4.
inside that top 4, but this time around it's gonna be different.
It's gonna be
because
different.
now Iheanacho Day in form.
Papito, quickly.
Any, mini, money, more. I think Leicester should break the jinx.
They should break into the top 4.
They should break
Which
into
jinx
the...
that they break?
Buchi,
I gave them a bottle.
Buchi.
They break into it anyhow.
Buchi Shapali.
I think person will bring this list. The person, sorry, person don't get sense.
Normally, I don't even put Arsenal.
Now, insult to West Ham and insult to David Moyes for their consistency.
Because West Ham finished well last season.
No, they don't, they do.
Are you
I don't know why they
serious?
expect more.
One
See,
season wonder.
This na
Are
your
you
top,
serious?
This is your top 4.
One season wonder
It no matter.
from West Ham.
When Arsenal give us wonder now. When
One
Arsenal give us
season-
wonder.
At least they
One
want to
season
give
wonder.
us wonder
See,
straight.
these are your top 4. Chelsea, City, Liverpool.
Yeah.
I don't know anyone than your top 4. Leicester, I don't know you go come out Tottenham for what because they come on Mourinho. They get Espirito Santo, my boy, in the year. Everton did there. Put West Ham before. Arsenal go finish 10th or 9th.
Okay.
So I don't like when they see Arsenal picture for year. It's not they nice. We talk about
I
competition.
like the picture. I
Thank
find
you.
well.
When men they talk, no they bring.
No, they- I don't
Red-
hear, we don't
red
hear.
Touch, watch.
Sexy Joe moving into the Barcelona squad. And right now, they're not there without Messi. Should Barcelona go fit continue their dominance? Yes, they are Bakara and Sabina. So if you say we know them for inside world of football, based on say they don't lose their talisman, Lionel Messi.
I laugh in Congo. In fact, I dey pity Barcelona. Because if to say they don't do their work when they're supposed to, the commoting of Messi no suppose, shake them in any way. But it's so unfortunate, say, they no do work when they're supposed to. And now Messi just like that, waka.
Honestly, like I watched that press conference live, and the way
It
they
was so
talk,
emotional.
when he start, see, you know, need to Barcelona fan to feel emotional.
Yeah.
This guy they cry. You know, when normal broke guy cry like us, they cry. Now normal
Now
thing.
you
So
like you dey
say
cry.
you broke.
People were broke. But when you see a rich man close to a billionaire, they cry.
cry.
No, there's levels to it. This man cry. In wife come and give him tissue. Like in right, you see, I even close.
Chai.
He did level, but 21 years giving life for the club. See, they need, and that's why Jovita when they talk now. That's why I raise my hand. Say, even if they
But now the same thing
make
we dey talk.
Make I talk my points. You say even Barcelona they would they plan. Say they no go. They're going to do more than Messi.
But they would always
No,
be
no,
life
no,
after
no, you
Messi.
know-
100%. But they go struggle.
still this-
But Buchi, moving on to Real Madrid, they don't sack Zidane, or more or less Zidane come out from Real Madrid. And the bad thing for Real Madrid, I said the only player they don't get for this transfer window, now the man himself, David Alaba, are now free. They don't let Sergio Ramos come out. They don't let Rafael Varane come out. Two key defenders, two senior players them from inside Real Madrid. But one thing where we say we're supposed to expect, now say they don't go bring back the man we give them La Decima. Carlo Ancelotti. What did Real Madrid get to offer this season?
See, I think Real Madrid, I don't know about the ambition, no, they're as big as before. Because I dey look at Real Madrid squad, see, they lose two of their best defenders.
Yeah.
Now the same boat they did with Barcelona.
When they did, no, I think they're both
Same
even
boat.
worse. They're both even worse. Because those two men play well when they win 4 Champions League. People don't know the combo those two men get, Varane and Ramos.
Not true.
You just be like father and son. Like their combo make perfect sense. One day rugged, one day very silent. And now you don't lose both of them. And we they replace Alaba na central back, but no be expert central back. Even na left back we convert to central back. If he play anywhere, but he no be expert for that position. You get Nacho, you get Valero we make Spain lose Olympics. Now he won't carry come again. So are they pity Real Madrid in some sense? And also they can't they hope on some players to regain form. Players like Hazard, we carry big bomb come when they want they form again. The bomb go see every time this season. Vinicius Junior Bororo now come in the crack. Rodrigo still very young. You won't keep Benzema. Modric is doing best, but guy, age, but he no be firewood. Toni Kroos is lost. Casemiro, Almiron. So many things. Joe used to they wrong for Real Madrid. Yes, Barcelona lose Messi, but Barca don't make one of the best free signings we don't see. Aguero, Memphis Depay, and the rest free or charge. Those are very very good signings. Who Madrid don't sign? Ole Alaba. No be Alaba market, no get good. So Real Madrid to use their senses. Otherwise, this is a go cast for them.
Yes, season 5 cast for them as we hear from inside the matter. Say Real Madrid, they see the hopes they go sign Kylian Mbappe. But from there, moving on, Sexy Joe, what do you think go happen? Who you think go finish, go win the league? Atletico Madrid still there. Them all don't forget to now them be defending champion. But giving out your own prediction, who you feel saying I ain't go win title?
Atletico Madrid.
Atletico Madrid are still a force to reckon with as far as the La Liga they concerned, because more or less how many players then let go. Instead, then bring in some players as well. So I feel them be a force to reckon with. Them we definitely want to defend the title this coming season. But then I know go write off the likes of Sevilla, the likes of Villarreal. Because then tighten their grip well. They not to allow many of their players to leave. So I feel then go be serious contenders. But I don't go also write off Barcelona and Real Madrid. But I'm not sure say go be like before for these two sides.
Atletico Madrid.
No feel be like before.
You know if you be like before.
If
according
Atletico
to
Madrid win the
Sexy-
league, team anything you want, I give you.
anything I want.
Anything you
back
want.
to back is a hit.
But moving on to the other league we would get for Insiders Podcast. Sharply Moko talk about Serie A, talk about Moko start with Juventus. In fact, the major thing we're going to talk about for Serie A this season, now the fact say plenty managerial changes.
Plenty.
Maurizio Sarri to Lazio, Max Allegri don't go back to Juventus. Jose Mourinho,
Roma.
AS Roma. and they talk about
Spalletti.
Luciano Spalletti. He don't go with Napoli. And talk about the man where they coach Lazio before, Simone Inzaghi.
Inzaghi.
He himself now go Inter Milan. So, Bucci, plenty managerial changes.
I did tell you.
What would they expect from these
I
guys?
think, you know what thing they kill the Italian Serie A? Corruption.
As in, I don't understand.
Italian Serie A, see, significant.
corrupt.
Then they significant to one Africa. I don't call name.
Okay.
To one Africa country. I don't call name or plenty Africa country. Them they significant to them. Corruption. Because they get the best of managers. Sarri ball. Allegri ball.
Spalletti.
Mourinho ball.
Oh, boy.
Spalletti ball. Inzaghi now knows I'm a young boy.
In fact, I think say no name himself. I've been one talk.
In the coach
Then for
but
Liverpool,
Why
they
Inter
did
Milan go
before.
carry him?
Inter Milan
is,
carry because they don't get choice. Conte come out. Who you want bring come? They need to bring in person. At least young
But
They
person.
you
should have
Sarri never
looked
get
for a
work
way
that
of
time.
keeping
Young
him.
person will not get ambition.
Sarri never
We
get work
won't
that
just
time.
See, they bring coach. We won't just coach big team. He never get ambition to win. As Inzaghi never get ambition to win. You won't carry Sarri come tell Sarri say once you won't pursue your big players. Up person on the close 70, he won't win. Inzaghi get point to prove. These guys don't get point to prove. That's why Inzaghi take job. He don't get anything to lose. Even though when they sack him, he go see that place.
Time for
So it's
Liverpool,
different.
Lazio
But
way dey.
see, the biggest one for me now, Maximiliano Allegri will come back with
Will come
Juventus. I think the biggest mistake they have to sack him in the
Na
first
to sack him in the
Bring in
first
Sarri. This guy now, very good manager.
Yeah.
Yes, he get 1 or 2 quanta with Ronaldo, but if they sort out their issues, Juventus 100% go win the league.
But Bucci, moving on to the Bundesliga sharply, still managerial changes.
to analyze it again.
Yeah, Bayern Munich, they call it Farmers League. But the truth of the matter is, Bayern Munich now they get new coach.
Don't be Farmers League.
Julian
Yeah,
Nagelsmann.
my boy.
Your boy.
Yes,
your boy.
I'm with Chicham now.
Even Borussia Dortmund said they get new coach. Marco Rose.
Yes.
Yeah, so for these two sides, definitely more just say Bayern Munich number 1.
100%. Bayern never really do a pre-season chart, but pre-season is different from main season. Two
They don't
different.
change the photo with there. Sis, I'm the finest in the team.
But Bucci, the truth of the matter be say, what thing I want even bring here from this German Bundesliga now, the fact say Julian Nagelsmann go come inside that squad, can't try to rejig that team.
Yep.
Because more or less that team, they feel like say then they win everything.
Na aging squad
9 championship back to back for themselves. But Nagelsmann need to show in work now.
Yes.
Say him now one of the big boys. He don't shine for RB Leipzig. He don't shine for Hoffenheim. Now he need to shine with the biggest team.
Yes.
With Bayern Munich. And actually, me and if you say he gonna need to tweak that squad a little bit
100%.
in terms of tactics.
Yes, 100%. Him not very good coach, but you know say a coaching different way. They coach small team where players go enter to you even from your own young age. Him
Very
na
true.
young man.
Very true.
Then go ask and say you they go big team. In the coach, but so get up and say as senior you, I don't there before you. Calm down, no.
Like Lewandowski.
Exactly. So he gonna need to.
Remember AVB.
He go need to use his head well. Yes, he be boss, but some of these players still get ego because they don't
Yeah.
win well. But in they in control. At the end of the day, if he go to some of these players, then go sack him. The good thing about him is say him be German and him know what him
yeah.
they do. The players go use Typhola. And I guess one of the best coaches for the last 3 years in terms of consistency. Now, he reject Real Madrid, say no one go Real Madrid at that time because they no feel I'm saying a good progression for him. So in there at home, but the good thing about him, they go give him chance. Even if he do bad, they go give him enough chance to prove himself because him a man will get good future right there. Bayern go win the league. The Bayern Bundesliga, those they not sent outside. And the good then they their house, they comfortable, they get fans, they get sponsorship. Anything what's their problem, but they play good football too. Anyway, what it be, Bayern again go win the season.
But Papito, more moving to the French League on right now and the Billionaires Club. Yes, the
I
club.
like it. You put that one according to
The
my
club.
name. Billionaire Club.
The
Now we're
club,
talking.
where we say a whole country they support, a whole country they sponsor. Talk about PSG.
Yes.
Right now, we don't hear say Messi don't almost agree deal to sign for them.
I don't sign up from them. Moved
Exactly,
him already.
2 years deal contract when go sign with PSG. But the news now say Messi go join PSG and they'll come they star studded. And they reel out the number of players now we then get as star players. From goalkeeper Gianluigi Donnarumma. Then get Sergio Ramos. Then get Ashraf Hakimi.
Oshofri.
Then get Neymar.
You know them.
Then get
Oshofri.
Mbappe.
I know
Then
the
get Mauro
MMN.
Icardi.
That squad.
But question I want to ask now: Messi on top this billionaires club, their transfer or their money we're going to pay weekly go rise definitely as salary because we hear some Messi go to collect £25 million. What do you think about PSG and their money spending?
Well, I think PSG does not have any issue with money spending because Papi FC is backing them up. And looking at the squad we're talking about, my brother, Messi, Mbappe, and Neymar. That is a suicide squad. Anybody,
Suicide squad.
anybody will come. In
Makes
fact,
sense.
this 3 squad, they can fight devil.
Makes sense.
Anybody that want to do spiritual battle, call these 3 of them, they strike and attack once. Talking about the financial problem, you could get a small problem, but don't worry. But PSC will support them. Money is not a problem.
Money is not a problem. But Buchi, speaking of the money we say they go spend if they sign Messi, you want to say right now we say they never even sign Messi. According to reports, we hear say their salary where they go they pay per week is around 3,889,000 pounds.
Per week.
3 million, over 3 million, per week. Then per year, they're going to pay over 200 million pounds. This one, they never signed Messi. Buchi, my question now say, why PSG never break financial fair play?
See,
Then they under should fight too, you know.
sorry, Quadration.
But UEFA never see them say they don't break financial fair play.
Not the
Quadration.
same break, they damage
They don't
am.
damage them. Quadration. No
Over
corruption
200
anymore.
million in salaries per year.
Well, lie.
Every week, now 3 million they're going to pay out.
tell you.
If I
3 million
understand,
pounds.
FFP now say you know if you spend more than waiting you the earn abi.
Yes.
You show me say they know they earn that kind of money with this.
What? Talking about the league you guys talk. Who go compete with PSG? Me, I feel saying that nobody. Except
Who tell
PSG.
you say nobody?
Lille beat them now.
I feel
You
say except PSG they perform well because they get all the materials right now to win the league in fact, with 10 matches to go, for my own thinking. Because the likes of Lille, Lyon, Marseille, Monaco, they're not really bringing big players or players who go fit compete with the kind of squad that PSG get.
The only person why they pity for this whole thing, now this man they call Pochettino. Because now small dog for inside big arena.
He's rich.
So I don't know how he won't take, if he no fit do anything with this squad. Now wala for Amo.
No problem.
Because
dey.
if to say with all this squad, if to say what it be named Tuchel get this squad
what for you?
before then Saka,
Now what for
they no
you?
born anybody well. PSG go win
Go
that
win title.
Champions
Now what for
League.
you?
But as he take B, so nothing don't spoil. He got to just upgrade himself and put that winning mentality for in work. Say, I wanna win with the squad where we say I get.
And I remember say Lyon self did that same league just as Monaco. Moku see whether Niko Kovac if he do anything. Remember Lille don't lose their own manager. The man will help them win the title, Christophe Galtier. He don't go Nice. Because Lille, they say whether they get money problem or something. But the truth of the matter is say all the actions then from inside this new season now with the cards to come give now from inside Eurobolians. Remember to subscribe to all our channels. Any podcast I will don't carry come, you go always get them once you don't subscribe, and also you click that notification button so that you will receive notifications once we don't upload our videos. Remember, this na Eurobolians. We'll come again next week with how the league don't take start, and hopefully Buchi, Sexy Joe, and Papito, they'll give us who they feel say go be the winners of the league titles for inside their club. Hopefully next week. Till then, again next time. Bye bye.
Football Republic.